In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a n8n account. By the end, you'll have your workspace set up and be ready to start building automations. All you need is a web browser and a company email address. Start by heading to the official website at n8n.io. On the homepage, look for the Get Started button. Give that a click to open the sign-up flow. This takes you straight into the account creation form so you can get going without any detours. First, enter your company email. n8n is often used in team and business settings, so a work address helps with access controls and collaboration down the line. Take a moment to double check for typos. An error here will block verification and delay your setup. Next, confirm your email address. n8n will send you a verification message to the inbox you just entered. Open that email and click the verification link to prove you own the address. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder and consider waiting a minute or two for delivery. Keep the sign up tab open while you verify so you can seamlessly continue. Now enter your full name. This is what teammates will see in your workspace, so use the name you want associated with your projects and approvals. Create a secure password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally with a mix of characters and a length that's hard to guess. Avoid reusing passwords from other services, and consider a password manager to store it safely. You'll be asked for an account name. Think of this as the label for your workspace, and in some cases it may become part of a URL. Keep it concise, professional, and easy to recognize by your team. Many people stick to lowercase and hyphens to keep it clean. You'll see a checkbox that says keep up with our constant improvements through our newsletter. Check this box to receive product updates, tips, and release notes. You can always adjust your communication preferences later if you change your mind. With everything filled out, click Start 14-day trial. This will create your account and spin up your workspace. You should land in your new dashboard where you can explore the interface, view example workflows, and begin building your first automation. If anything seems off, like a missing verification email, use the resend option on the sign up screen and try again. That's it. You've created your n8n account, confirmed your email, and started your trial. Keep your login details safe, and you're ready to automate with confidence.